This is gonna blow your mind. Don't miss out on the next yummy recipe. Hungry for more? Hit that subscribe button and join our Culinary Recipe Creations family. We've got an endless menu of delectable and delicious recipes just waiting for you. From appetizers to desserts, there's something for every foodie. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and let's get cooking.
There's something magical about a warm, gooey chocolate lava cake. It's a dessert that speaks to the soul, a symphony of flavors and textures that dance on the palate. Imagine sinking your spoon into a rich, dark chocolate exterior, only to discover a molten river of chocolate within. This decadent dessert is easier to create than you might think. With a few simple ingredients and some basic techniques, you can transform your kitchen into a chocolate haven. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a novice in the culinary arts, this recipe is your passport to chocolate paradise. Get ready to embark on a journey of pure indulgence. This essay will guide you through every step of the process, from assembling your ingredients to presenting your masterpiece. Prepare to be amazed by the simplicity and the delicious results. Let's begin our chocolate adventure. So, gather your aprons and prepare your taste buds. We're about to create a dessert that's as impressive as it is delicious. Get ready to discover the secrets of the perfect chocolate lava cake. The key to a truly decadent chocolate lava cake lies in the quality of the ingredients. Choose the finest chocolate you can find, as it will be the star of the show. Unsalted butter adds richness and a smooth texture. Fresh eggs provide structure and a touch of lightness. Granulated sugar sweetens the symphony, while a pinch of salt enhances the chocolate's depth. All-purpose flour binds the ingredients together, creating the perfect canvas for the molten center. Vanilla extract adds a touch of warmth and complexity. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature before you begin. This will ensure they blend together seamlessly, creating a smooth and consistent batter. Cold ingredients can cause the batter to seize, resulting in a less than perfect cake. Having everything prepped and ready will make the baking process smoother and more enjoyable. So, gather your ingredients and let's begin our journey into chocolate decadence. Begin by melting the chocolate and butter together in a double boiler or microwave. Stir until smooth and glossy. This creates the foundation of our lava cake, the rich and decadent base that will hold the molten heart. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, sugar, and vanilla extract until light and frothy. This incorporates air into the mixture, creating a light and airy texture that contrasts beautifully with the dense chocolate base. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can develop the gluten in the flour, resulting in a tough cake. The goal is a smooth, velvety batter that's ready to be transformed. Once the batter is ready, divide it evenly among greased and floured ramekins. This ensures even baking and prevents the cakes from sticking. Now, our little chocolate cocoons are ready for the oven's embrace. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The correct oven temperature is crucial for achieving the perfect molten center. Too low, and the center will be solid. Too high, and the cake will be overcooked. Place the ramekins on a baking sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Keep a close eye on the cakes as they bake. The edges should be set, while the center should still have a slight jiggle. This indicates the perfect molten lava within. Once baked, remove the ramekins from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before inverting them onto serving plates. This allows the cakes to set slightly, making them easier to handle and preventing them from collapsing. The aroma of warm chocolate will fill your kitchen, a tantalizing preview of the decadent treat to come. Be patient, as the cakes need a moment to rest before they can reveal their molten hearts. Section 5. Achieving the perfect molten center, the heart of the matter. The molten center is the defining characteristic of a lava cake, the gooey heart of chocolate that makes it so irresistible. Achieving this perfect balance of cooked exterior and molten interior requires precision and attention to detail. Baking time is crucial. Start checking the cakes at the 12-minute mark. A slight jiggle in the center indicates the desired molten consistency. If the center appears too firm, bake for another minute or two. Avoid overbaking. An overbaked lava cake will have a solid center, losing the signature molten flow. Trust your instincts and rely on visual cues to determine doneness. A little practice will make you a lava cake master. Remember, every oven is different. Adjust baking times as needed to achieve the perfect result. The key is to find the sweet spot where the edges are set and the center remains molten. Section 6. Presentation. Elevating your chocolate masterpiece. The presentation of your lava cake can elevate it from a simple dessert to a culinary masterpiece. A dusting of powdered sugar adds a touch of elegance, while a sprig of fresh mint provides a refreshing contrast. A scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream complements the warm chocolate beautifully. The cold cream against the warm cake creates a delightful interplay of temperatures and textures. A drizzle of chocolate sauce or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings adds an extra layer of decadence. Don't be afraid to get creative with your garnishes. Berries, nuts, or even a sprinkle of sea salt can enhance the flavor profile. Choose serving plates that complement the rich, dark hues of the cake. White plates provide a classic backdrop, while colorful plates can add a touch of whimsy. Let your creativity shine. Section 7. Serving suggestions. Pairing perfection. Chocolate lava cake pairs beautifully with a variety of beverages. A glass of chilled milk cuts through the richness of the chocolate, creating a harmonious balance. A cup of strong coffee complements the intense chocolate flavor, while a glass of dessert wine enhances the decadence. Consider a port wine or a sweet sherry for a truly luxurious pairing. For a non-alcoholic option, a cup of herbal tea or a glass of sparkling cider provides a refreshing counterpoint to the rich chocolate. Experiment with different pairings to discover your favorite combinations. The perfect pairing can elevate the dining experience, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate. So, choose your accompaniments wisely and prepare to indulge in pure bliss. Section 8. Troubleshooting and tips. Navigating the chocolate labyrinth. If your lava cake doesn't achieve the perfect molten center, don't despair. Several factors can influence the outcome, and a few adjustments can make all the difference. If the center is too firm, reduce the baking time by a minute or two. If the cake is overcooked, try lowering the oven temperature slightly. Each oven is unique, so adjustments may be necessary. Ensure your ramekins are properly greased and floured to prevent sticking. This will make it easier to invert the cakes onto serving plates without them collapsing. Use high-quality chocolate for the best flavor and texture. The chocolate is the star of the show, so don't compromise on quality. A good chocolate will make all the difference. Section 9. Conclusion. An invitation to indulge. The chocolate lava cake is a testament to the power of simple ingredients transformed into a decadent masterpiece. With a little practice and attention to detail, you can create this culinary marvel in your own kitchen. So, gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and embark on this chocolate adventure. The rewards are well worth the effort. Prepare to be amazed by the symphony of flavors and textures that await you. Share your creations with friends and family, and spread the joy of this decadent dessert. The perfect chocolate lava cake is an experience to be savored and shared. Indulge in the magic of chocolate. Now, go forth and create your own chocolate lava cake masterpiece. Let the aroma of warm chocolate fill your home, and the taste of molten decadence tantalize your taste buds. Happy baking!
This is why you need to hit subscribe. Deliciousness awaits. Today, we're serving up some of the tastiest, easiest to make recipes you'll ever try. From savory dinners to sweet treats, we've got everything to satisfy your cravings. But don't just take our word for it. Join the Culinary Recipe Creations community and see for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our drool-worthy dishes. Like this video if you're hungry for more and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to share with your fellow foodies and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our foodie recipe tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We hope to see you back here very soon. Take care and see you in the next video.